Good morning, students. Now, today in class, we will discuss sets chapter exercise number 1.4. So, problem number 1. Exercise number 1.4. Problem number 1. Find the union of each of the following pairs of sets. Okay, so first one, x is equal to set of 1 comma 3 comma 5, y is equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, next second one is a is equal to set of a comma e comma I comma o comma u. B is equal to set of a comma b comma c. Next third one, so capital A is equal to set of x such that x is a natural number and multiple of 3 Next capital B is equal to set of x such that x is a natural number less than 6. Okay, so here we have to find out a union. So what is the meaning of union? Just you have to club two sets elements in one set, and if any element is repeated, you just write down only one time. Okay, so answer x union y is equal to set of. So x set elements are 1, 3, 5, comma. Y set elements are 1, already we written. Next 2, so already 3 we written. So that okay, you just close it like this. So the answer is set of 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 2. It is a union of, this set is a union of x comma y sets. Okay, next second problem answer. So A union B is equal to, he is asking union, so that okay, we are using union symbol. A union B is equal to set of, first A set elements are A, E, I, O, U. Next B set elements are, so already A we have written. Next B, next C. That's all. This is the answer. Okay. Next third one answer. So here A set comma B set are represented in the form of set builder forms. So you just change as roster form. Then A is equal to set of, so x is a natural number and multiple of 3. So multiple of 3 means, so 3 ones 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, and so on. Okay, so here natural numbers and multiple of 3. So next B set elements are set of x is a natural number less than 6. So less than 6 means 1 2 3 4 5, less than 6. Okay, 6 will not come. Next we want A union B, that is equal to, so A set elements are 3 6 9 12 15. So B set elements are 1 2 3 4 5. If you write in one order, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 9 12 15 and so on. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, write down fast. Here element position is not important. You can write element anywhere in the set. Okay, Suppose if you see this answer you can write in one order also, that is set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5. Okay, both are same answers only. Okay, next. Next problem. So problem number 4. So under problem number 1, sub problem number 4, a is equal to set of x such that x is a natural number, and 1 less than x less than 6. b is equal to set of x such that x is a natural number, and 6 less than x less than 10. 6 less than x less than 10. Okay, answer. So these two sets are in the form of set builder form. You change as roster form. Then a is equal to set of. So x is a natural number and that x value is between 1 comma 6. Between means 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose okay, r equal symbol is there, 1 also will come, 6 also will come, but there is no r equal symbol. So you have write between values only. Those values must be belong to natural number. Next, b is equal to set of x is a natural number and that x value between 6 to 10. That means 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10 will not come. Okay. Next, we want a union b. A union b is equal to set of 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. That is the answer. Okay. Next problem. So problem number 5. So a is equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3. b is equal to 5. b is equal to 5. That means b is equal to null set. Null set means there is no element. So we want a union b answer. So a union b is equal to a set elements are 1, 2, 3. But in b set there is no element, so you can close it. That is equal to a. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 set name is a. So a union b is equal to a. So this is the answer. Okay. So first Roman is over. Next, second Roman. So second Roman, that means problem number 2. So problem number 2. Let capital A is equal to set of a comma b. Capital B is equal to set of a comma b comma c. Is a subset b? Question mark. What is a union b? What is a union b? That is the problem. Okay. So answer. Important for 1 mark. Okay. See, a set elements are a comma b. B set elements are a comma b, and excess of it is having c also. So is a is subset to b or not? He is asking. So here in a set a comma b are available in b set, therefore a is subset to b. So yes, a is subset to b. Next he is asking what is a union b. So a union b is equal to, so you have to club a set elements and b set elements, and if any element is repeated you write only one time. That means set of A set elements are A, B, B set elements are, so A, B, C, already we have written A comma B, next C, that is equal to, so A comma B comma C set name is B set, B set. So A union B is equal to B. So in this problem, what we observed means, if A subset B, then A union B. So note here, you can write note point. Note is, if A subset to B, if A subset to B, then A union B is equal to B. Okay, so you can write this note point. Next, problem number 3. So problem number 3 is, if problem number 3, if A and B are two sets, such that A subset to B, then what is A union B? Then what is A union B? Okay, just okay, we have seen problem number 2. So if A subset to B, then what is A union B? A union B is equal to B, since A is subset to B. Next, problem number 4. So problem number 4 is, if A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to set of 3, 4, 5, 6, C is equal to set of 5, 6, 7, 8, D is equal to set of 7, 8, 9, 10. Find problem number 1 is A union B, problem number 2 A union C, problem number 3 B union C, problem number 4 B union D, problem number 5 A union B union C, problem number 6 A union B union D, problem number 7 B union C union D. Okay, very easy problem. Okay, here 7 problems are there, 7 sub problems are there. Okay, I will teach you 3 problems, remaining problems you can solve. So answer. So here 4 sets given, A set, B set, C set and D set. Okay, so he is asking 7 sub problems. So I will solve first one. Okay, so next, so fifth one, next 7th one. Okay, remaining problems you can solve. So first one answer A union B, that is equal to A union B. This is union symbol. This is, what is this? Union symbol. Union means you have to club given sets elements, and if any element is repeated, you just write on only one time. Then the set of A set and B set elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So A set elements. Next B set elements. So 3, 4 already we written. So 5, 6. That's all. That is the set of A union B. Next, so next fifth problem. So A union B union C. A union B union C. That means the set of A comma B comma C. So the elements combination of A comma B comma C. So A set elements first you write down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next B set elements are 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4 already over. So 5, 6. Next C set elements are 5, 6, 7, 8. Already 5, 6 is over. So 7, 8. Okay, this is the answer of A union B union C. That means, so A set, B set, C set elements you just write down only one time. If any element repeated, don't write, okay, 2 or 3 times. You just write only one time. Next, so next seventh problem. So what is seventh problem? B union C union D, that is equal to. So now the combination of B comma C comma D set elements. So B C D. First write down B set elements. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Next C set elements. 5, 6, 7, 8. Already 5, 6 is over. So 7, 8. Next D set elements are 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8 is over. So next 9, 10. So like that, okay, remaining problems you can solve. Very easy. So remaining problems you can solve. Next, problem number 5. So problem number 5. If A is equal to set of same problem 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to set of 3, 4, 5, 6. C is equal to set of 5, 6, 7, 8. D is equal to set of 7, 8, 9, 10. Find A intersection second one, A intersection C. Third one, B intersection C. So fourth one, B intersection D. So fifth one, A intersection B intersection C. So sixth one, A intersection B intersection D. So seventh one, B intersection C intersection D. Okay. So that means problem number 4 is related to union problem. Problem number 5 is related to intersection problem. Okay. So here also I will solve, okay, 4 problems. So first one, third one, fifth one, seventh one I will solve. Remaining problems you can solve. So first one, answer first one is A intersection B, that is equal to A intersection B. So in A set and B set, which are common, those elements only you can write. In A set and B set, which are common, those elements only you have to write. Why? Because here intersection symbol is there. What symbol is there? Intersection symbol is there. If intersection symbol is there, you have to write only common elements. Okay. So common elements of in A set and B set. So in A set and B set, which are common? 3, 4. Here also 3, 4. The answer is, so 3, 4. That's all. Next, so third one. So third one is B intersection C. That means the common elements of in B, C sets. So in B and C, which are common, here 5, 6 is there. Here also 5, 6 is there. So that, okay. So 5, 6 is the answer. Next, fifth one. So fifth one is A intersection B intersection C. That means in A set and B set and C set, which are common in 3 sets, those elements only you have to write. See, in A set 1, 2, 3, 4. In B set 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6, that means 3 comma 4 is available. Okay, but here in C set there is no 3 comma 4, so that okay, we never get any common element. If you have anything, you can write okay, like sets 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, intersection symbol. Next B set elements are so 3, 4, 5, 6, intersection. C set elements are 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. From these two sets which are common, so 3 comma 4 are common elements. So 3 comma 4 are common in these two sets. Next intersection, so set of 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. So if you observe these two sets, is there any common element? There is no any common element, so you have to keep like this. That means null set. Otherwise you can write in single step, okay, null set. By observing A comma B comma C sets, okay, you can write directly null set answer, okay, no problem. Next, so seventh one is so B intersection C intersection D, that is equal to, so common elements of B comma C comma D sets, so B, C, D, so which are common? So in B and C 5, 6 is common, but in D there is no 5, 6, so here also we can get null set answer. Okay, so write down fast. So remaining problems you can solve. Next, problem number 6. So problem number 6 is problem number 6. If capital A is equal to set of 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9 comma 11, capital B is equal to set of 7 comma 9 comma 11 comma 13, capital C is equal to set of 11 comma 13 comma 15, capital D is equal to set of 15 comma 17. Then find problem number 1 A intersection B, problem number 2 B intersection C, problem number 3 A intersection C intersection D, problem number 4 A intersection C, problem number 5 B intersection D, problem number 6 A intersection B union C, problem number 7 A intersection D, problem number 8 A intersection B union D. Next, problem number 9 A intersection B union intersection B union C. Next, problem number 10 A union D intersection B union C. Okay, so 10 sub problems are there. So I will solve 5 problems. Remaining 5 problems you have to solve. Okay, so answer. So answer is, so I will solve. Okay, these are very easy problems. Okay, you can solve. So 6th one I will solve, 8th one I will solve, 9th one and 10th one I will solve. Okay, 4 sub problems I will solve. Remaining problems you can solve. So first one is, that means 6th one A intersection B union C, A intersection B union C. So here, okay, one is intersection symbol, another one is union symbol. First you do one thing, what is there in the bracket? Okay, that set you have to find out. So first, what is there in the bracket? B union C is there. So you just find out what is there in the bracket set. That means the combination of B comma C set elements. So B comma C set elements are 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Okay. So now you know A set elements and B union C set elements. Now take okay problem. So A intersection B union C, that is equal to, what is A set elements? A set elements are 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay. Next, what symbol is there? Intersection symbol is there. Intersection symbol. Set of, we know B union C set. So that set you can write 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. First, what is there? Bracket set. That set you have to find out. Okay. Next, so here between these two sets, what is the operation? Intersection is the operation. Intersection means common elements. So which are common? 7, 9, 11 are common. So write down, that is the answer. Okay, 7, 9, 11 is the answer of given A intersection B union C problem. Okay. Next, so next one is, so eighth one. So eighth one, what is eighth one? A intersection B union D. B union D. B union D. Same like this only. So what is the bracket set? B union D. So B union D, find out. That is equal to. That is equal to. So here union symbol is there. That means the combination elements of B comma D sets. So B comma D set elements. So B, D. So 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. So 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. Okay. Next one is, so A intersection B union D, that is equal to. So A set elements are, so set of 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So intersection. So B union D set elements are 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. That is equal to. So here intersection symbol is there. Intersection means common elements. So 7, 9, 11 are common. So the answer is 7, 9, 11. Okay, write them fast. So remaining problems we can discuss in next class. That means, okay, problem number 9 and problem number 10 we can discuss in next class. Thank you, students.